kids, with the new video of your SST book. We will start with the book of Galaxy Publications, and that is Understanding Social Studies for Class 3. Welcome to the new chapter of SST. Let's begin with the fourth chapter, that is Political Divisions of India. India is a big country. It is the 7th largest country in the world. More than 130 crore people. 130 crore people live in India. So, बहुत ज़्यादा population है हमारे इंडिया की. So, it is the second most populated country. So, please children remember that our India is the second most populated country of the world after China. Now, after China का मतलब हुआ कि first most populated country जो है world में वो है China और second most populated country कौन सी है? हमारी इंडिया. Every country needs a government to take care of its people. There is a central government in India. Okay, हर कंट्री को चलाने के लिए उनके लोगों को उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए कौन टेक केयर करता है? गवर्नमेंट टेक केयर करती है. और हमारे इंडिया में कौन सी गवर्नमेंट है? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जो ये काम करती है. The offices of the central government are in New Delhi. So remember children कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के जितने भी ऑफिसेज हैं मोस्टली आर इन न्यू दिल्ली which is the capital of our India. There is the President House, the Parliament House. Okay, तो क्या क्या है वहाँ पे? President House भी है और Parliament House भी है दिल्ली में. The President of India lives in the President House. Now this is very clear to you. जैसे कि नाम बता रहा है इस हाउस का कि President House है, तो President House में कौन है रहता है? President रहते हैं हमारे. And the laws of the country are discussed in the Parliament House. और हमारे देश में जो जो laws बनाए गए हैं, rules बनाए गए हैं, उनको कहाँ discuss किया जाता है? That is in the Parliament House. States and Union Territories. Since India is a vast country, it is very difficult for the central government to take care of all the problems faced by her people. So, हमारी country, India, बहुत ही बड़ी country है. इस वजह से अकेले सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के लिए ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि वो सारे लोगों का टेक केयर कर सके, उनका ख्याल रख सके. हेंस इंडिया इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 28 बिग पार्ट्स कॉल्ड दी स्टेट्स. तो हमारे इंडिया को हमने 28 बिग पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है जिसको हम बुलाते हैं स्टेट्स एंड 8 यूनियन टेरिटरीज. और हमारे देश में 8 यूनियन टेरिटरीज है. Each one of the states has its own government to take care of all the problems of the people of the state. हर एक गवर्नमेंट जो है अलग अलग स्टेट की वो अपने स्टेट के पीपल की प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉर्ट आउट करती है. एवरी स्टेट हैज़ इट्स ओन कैपिटल सिटी. हर स्टेट की एक अपनी कैपिटल सिटी है. वेयर आर लोकेटेड ऑफिसेज ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. जहाँ पे कैपिटल सिटी में स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिसेज प्रेजेंट हैं. The union territories come under the direct control of the central government. हमारी यूनियन टेरिटरीज जो है उनका कंट्रोल डायरेक्ट सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के अंडर होता है, जबकि स्टेट्स का जो कंट्रोल है वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के अंडर होता है. नाउ देयर आर सर्टेन capitals and the states and the union territories given over here. Let's study about them. States of India. Now which state is this? Andhra Pradesh, the capital is Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, the capital is Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar's capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh's capital is Raipur. Goa's is Panji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur's capital is Imphal. Meghalaya's capital is Shillong. Mizoram's Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Now Chandigarh is a capital of 2 states, that is Punjab as well as Haryana. Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur. Sikkim's capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu's capital is Chennai. Telangana's is Hyderabad. Tripura's capital is Agartala. Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Our state Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, and West Bengal's capital is Kolkata. Now let's go through the union territories of India. First union territory that we have is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Its capital is known as Port Blair. Chandigarh is another union territory and hence its own capital is own Chandigarh. Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, the capital is Daman. Lakshadweep Islands we have Kavarati. Puducherry is Puducherry once again. Earlier it was known as Pondicherry. National Capital Territory, that is our Delhi. Its capital is self-owned Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, and Ladakh's capital is Leh. Now just let's go through the other paragraph. The central government includes the president, the prime minister and his council of ministers. Now here this paragraph states कि जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ इंक्लूडेड है, कौन कौन लोग शामिल है. इट इंक्लूड्स द प्रेसिडेंट, the prime minister and the other council of minister, and the president is what, he is the head of the country. हमारे देश का head कौन है, president है. state government जो कि state में rule करती है, it includes the governor, the chief minister and his council of ministers. So these are the people who are actually looking after the state government. Now there we have an interesting fact that is more to know, which states that Rajasthan is the largest state by area. तो सबसे ज़्यादा area कौन से state का है? That is Rajasthan. It is the largest state. Then Goa, our Goa is very small, hence it is the smallest state by the area. Smallest state by the area. Then Uttar Pradesh is the state with the largest population. तो सबसे ज़्यादा जनसंख्या कहाँ है? हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में. Kerala is the state with highest literacy rate. Literacy rate का मतलब होता है सबसे ज़्यादा educated people कौन से एरिया में हैं, कौन से स्टेट में हैं, that is Kerala. Delhi, our capital is Delhi. It is also known as the National Capital Region, जिसको आप NCR भी कहते हैं. If you go through the map of our India, you will come to know that Srinagar, can you see Jammu and Kashmir over here? We have all states, 28 states, along with that the union territories over here. There we have Dadar, Nagar and Haveli. Then we have Daman and Diu also together. Here PY means Pondicherry, or you could always call it as Puducherry. The latest name we call it as Puducherry is here. All the 28 states are there. We have the Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, and the south of India we have the Indian Ocean. So India is basically a mixture of so many states all together, which have various cultures, various traditions and various languages are spoken over there. यहाँ पे बहुत किस्म की cultures हैं, languages हैं, traditions हैं, और फिर भी ये सब चीज़ें मिला के हमें बनाती हैं एक. They all make us united. Each state has its own language and customs. जैसे कि मैंने आपको अभी बताया था कि हर स्टेट की एक अपनी ही लैंग्वेज है और अपना ही एक कस्टम है. So many languages are spoken in India. A person from Tamil Nadu speaks the Tamil language. Likewise, a person from West Bengal speaks the Bengali language. तमिल कौन बोलता है? तमिलनाडु के लोग बोलते हैं. And similarly, West Bengal की क्या लैंग्वेज है? बंगाली. The people of उत्तर प्रदेश, हिमाचल प्रदेश and बिहार, they all speak हिंदी लैंग्वेज. हम सब लोग जो कि उत्तर प्रदेश, हिमाचल प्रदेश और बिहार में रहते हैं, हम लोग सब हिंदी भाषा का प्रयोग करते हैं. People of Gujarat speak गुजराती. गुजरात के लोग कौन सी भाषा बोलते हैं? They speak गुजराती. All states have different customs, different food, habits, different clothes. हर स्टेट के अपने ही अपने कस्टम्स हैं, हैबिट्स हैं, क्लोथ्स हैं, ट्रेडिशंस हैं, फूड है, ये सब अलग अलग हैं. Yet they all are united as Indians. फिर भी हम सब लोग कैसे हैं? हम सब एक साथ बंधे हुए हैं, मिले हुए हैं और यूनाइटेड हैं जिसे कहते हैं. और इसलिए हम सब क्या हैं? एक. We are a family. We are all called as Indians. We must respect each other and remain united as Indians. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, हम किसी भी धर्म के हों, किसी भी जात के हों या किसी भी स्टेट से बिलोंग करते हों, हम सबको हमेशा यूनाइटेड रहना चाहिए. This makes us strong as an Indian. Now let's just go through the quick recap of the chapter. Okay, I just like the recap part. Recap part हमारे हर चैप्टर का बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होता है क्योंकि ये आपको जल्दी से रिवाइज करने में हेल्प करता है चैप्टर की. The recap part says India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. The whole India is governed by the central government which has its offices in Delhi. पूरा इंडिया को कौन गवर्न करता है? हमारा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट करता है और उसके सारे ऑफिसेस न्यू दिल्ली में हैं जो कि हमारी कैपिटल है. Each state has its government and its offices are located in the capital city of the state. हर स्टेट की एक अपनी गवर्नमेंट होती है और उनके ऑफिसेस जो हैं उनकी कैपिटल सिटी में होते हैं. डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस आर स्पोकन इन डिफरेंट स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया. अलग अलग भाषाएं हमारे देश में बोली जाती हैं. वी मस्ट रिस्पेक्ट ईच अदर एंड रिमेन यूनाइटेड एज इंडियंस. हम सबको एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखना चाहिए, रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए और यही चीज़ हमें बनाती है इंडियन. Now this was the quick recap of the chapter. I hope you all liked it. Let's go with the exercises part. Now if you go through the first question, that is again the tick the correct option. This question says which is the second most populated country in the world? दुनिया में second most populated country कौन सी है? Is it China? Is it India or is it America? Well, the answer is India. How many union territories are there in India? India में कितने union territories हैं? There are 9, 7 or 8. There are 8 union territories. Which is the most populated state of India? सबसे ज़्यादा populated state India का कौन सा है? राजस्थान, उत्तर प्रदेश या केरला? Rajasthan is the largest state in area. Uttar Pradesh is the most populated state in area and Kerala is has the most literacy rate, the highest literacy rate. So what is the answer for this question? Our answer is Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Gujarat is, now what is the capital of Gujarat? Surat, Ahmedabad or Gandhinagar? Now I leave this question for you people. It is not so tricky. इसी बहाने आपको गुजरात की कैपिटल भी याद हो जाएगी और आपको एक बार चैप्टर में गो थ्रू करने में भी help मिलेगी. Let's come to fill in the blanks part. The fill in the blanks states, the first question is every country has a dash to take care of its people. हर कंट्री में क्या होती है? गवर्नमेंट. The answer is every country has a government. Then India is the dash largest country in the world. It is the second largest country. Ladakh is a dash. What is Ladakh? Is it a state or a UT? The answer is Union Territory. You can write here UT also. Each state of India has its own dash. हर state जो है इंडिया का उसमें एक अपना क्या होता है? एक अपनी गवर्नमेंट होती है. The capital city of Telangana is, what is the capital city of Telangana? Another question, that is the last question from fill in the blanks. I leave this for you as your homework. ये मैं आपके लिए एक homework के तौर पे छोड़ रही हूँ. Let's come to the next exercise, that is the true and false. Okay. India is the most populated country in the world. So this statement is false. इंडिया सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री नहीं है, चाइना है सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री. सो वी विल राइट हियर फॉल्स. असम इज अ यूनियन टेरिटरी. असम एक यूटी है. सो नो, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो फॉल्स. मध्य प्रदेश इज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो अनदर स्टेटमेंट दैट इज रॉन्ग. मध्य प्रदेश लार्जेस्ट स्टेट नहीं है. राजस्थान इज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया. India is divided into 7 union territories. Another question that is false. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Now this statement is true. Obviously the Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. So you will write here true. Now let's come to the question D. Match the states with their capital cities. The first state is Himachal Pradesh and its capital is Shimla. Second state is Tamil Nadu. The capital city of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. What is the capital of Kerala? That is Tiruvananthapuram. What is the capital of Karnataka? Karnataka is Bangalore. And what is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? That is Amravati. Let's tick the correct questions. The capital of Uttarakhand is dash. What it is? The answer is Nainital or Dehradun. The answer is Dehradun. Delhi is a state or a union territory. Delhi is a UT. Goa or Kerala is the smallest state. Which is the smallest state, Goa or Kerala? Well, the answer is Goa. Our Goa is the smallest state. The language spoken by the people of the state of West Bengal is Tamil or Bengali. The Bengal people, they usually speak Bengali. So children, stay tuned for the new video. Till then, goodbye and take care. Thank you.